Hi, this is Miss Rodriguez, and we need to have you guys create subfolders within your history folder that you should have already created in your drive. So you're just going to go ahead and go to your drive. And I have a lot more folders than you guys have. We're going to have you create that history folder if you haven't already. If you have, then you should see that you already have a history folder. And from here, we had marked it fall 2020 history. And now when I go inside of this folder, I'm going to go ahead and create new folders. And you guys would already have lessons in here. Hopefully you've been putting all of your work, everything that you've made a copy of inside your history folder. But either way, if not, you need a folder for vocab. You'll create it the same way. You just go to new folder, and you need a folder for your unit 1 work. That's everything that we have done except for the vocabulary. For example, things with Native Americans and early European explorers. And since we are moving on to our next unit, you're going to start putting things in the subfolder within history that's going to be marked Unit 2, Colonies. So now you would be able to move things back and forth into your folders. There's different ways to do it. You can do a drag and drop into the folders. So let's say that you have vocabulary that you need to move in here. And I'm just going to go into a different part of my drive to show you. Let's say I have things that need to be moved into other folders. You can click on the actual assignment and you can drag it into another folder and it would move into whatever folder you dropped it on. You see how it's highlighting? Or you can, once it's selected, go to the options and move it to whatever folder you would choose. And you see when you have a folder that has subfolders, you can even move it further than that. And then another way that you can do it, you can just do the double or 2-finger click, and the menu will pop up like that. Shortcut menu with the 3 dots will pop up, and you can again move it to another folder in your drive and within a subfolder as well. Okay, so this is how you move things between folders. And again, you should have a history folder now that has one subfolder for vocabulary, one for your Unit 1 work, and all of the Unit 1 stuff that we've done in the last 2 weeks would go into that folder, except vocab. And then you're creating the Unit 2 folder so that everything that you're creating from Monday, August 31st until we end the unit for the colonies is going to go into that Unit 2 folder. And this should keep you more organized in terms of when you're trying to find different documents. Especially keeping it separate from your math, science, English work. So now you have 3 subfolders in that history fall 2020 folder.